Good morning, children. So, today topic is the lesson. I am going to do the lesson, the test. Lesson number 2. The test. Okay, what do you mean by test? What do you mean by test? Test is nothing but something you have learned that we are going to test you, isn't it? Something like any other subjects, any other matters, you have learned so many things. So we have to first test you that you are learned, that you come to know about that matters, everything. We are going to test it. Okay, this is called a test. So I'll go through this lesson. With this, I'm going to tell you what do you mean by test. Okay. What are the essential qualities expected from a perfect administrator? If one person is working in some other places, okay, by the time we want to see that he is fit for that administrator, means he have that qualities to, if for example I am a teacher, okay, I am a teacher. If I am fit for this place to teach you all, I have an experience, so HMM will be going to test me whether I can do the lessons, I can have that qualities to attract you. Everything ma'am will going to test me, and then she will going to appoint for this English teacher, isn't it? This is called the qualities which I want to have for this field. Okay. So, for only physical fitness and abilities sufficient, or some humanity qualities like companion, pity, sympathy, kindness, etc. are also required. Read the lesson and decide yourself. Not only the fitness, if any person is very strong, if he look, he is very fit, he can do it. He can fit for only its lifting or anything else. Qualities means in the teaching or any other qualities like fitness, its smartness, everything should be in the good manner. So that is called as a qualities. All the qualities. If the teachers or somebody else like administrator, they should have that administrative qualities like they should speak with the customers or any other parents, or else she wants to know that system work, isn't it? And filling the forms, that is called qualities of the administrator. Did you got it? Now I'll start the lesson now. Once upon a time, there ruled a king in a small state of India. Once upon a time, there ruled a king in the small state of India. Now we all are having prime minister. In the olden days, they are ruling. The king will be going to rule the India and the state also, for like chief minister is there for the state as usual. Here also chief minister will be there. It was a noble and generous king. He is very noble, generous, means somewhat is not so much of strict, and also he is thinking is that they should maintain the country or the state should be in the proper manner. So he is going with that way. He used to think that all the peoples are his brothers and sisters. Like that, in that manner, he used to go in the right way. Always, he is a truth fellow. Okay, that king. He loved truth and justice, and subject in his kingdom were happy and prosperous. He loved the truth. He loved the truth, and also justice should be correct. No one should tell the lie. So that the state will be in the proper manner, so that all the peoples are happy in that. So in that way he used to go always. The king is in that manner. Okay. First of all, whenever we are ruling the country or the state, first of all the chief minister and the king have to be in the proper manner, right? Otherwise everything will will be going in the good thing. Otherwise, it will be like this, isn't it? So the king had a council of ministers who often advised him in various state affairs, and the king also obeyed them truthfully. What happened in that country, for the state, the chief minister will be there, the council of minister. Okay, he is very obedient. He is working from so many years, and the king is going to obey him. He doesn't test him or nothing else, because he is obeying him, because he has followed all the rules and regulation correctly. That council of minister is there, no? He has maintained all the peoples of their state and everything in the good manner. So what king is going to do? King is obey each and everything, whatever. Sir, I am going to do this. Next. Okay, you can do it. I won't test you at all, because I'll obey you. I know you are a very truthful person. You are going to do each and everything correctly. I'll trust you. Trust you means what? Nambike. Okay. That should be there in all the peoples. Okay. So king will going to trust that person, that old fellow. Why? He is going to do all the work in the good manner. So the king had a council of ministers who often advised him in various state affairs, and the king also obeyed them truthfully. Whatever it may be, I'll obey it. Oh, you want to do this? Oh, do it. You want to make a road? Oh, do it. Take a contract and do it yourself. Take you how much money you want, take. Because of trust. Okay? King is going to trust him. So much of trust, it won't come for everybody. Okay? The chief minister of the state was very learned and wise. He is very learned. He is somewhat old person. He has seen so many things from his life, up and downs, and he has learned so many things, and wise, and also wise, very truthful. He won't tell the lies. Wise means what? Wise means what? Clever. Okay, he is very clever, and also he used to somewhat truthfully. He won't tell the lie. He won't do any wrong thing. That is called wise. Whatever we are going to tell now, that is called wise. Okay. He was a real gem in his council of ministers. The king always valued his opinions and acted on his advice. But he was getting old. But what happened? That minister is getting old. Okay, he couldn't work no more. He has become very old fellow. He is struggling to do his work. So what happened? So he decided to retire from the acting life and devote the rest of his life in the company of holy men and in the service of the God. So what did the minister started thinking? That I have become a very old, I can't survive this work no more, so I have to retire from this place. I want to be doing like a service of God, and then I'll keep myself rest. So I can't do anymore. I can't work. So what happened? He has become very old, no? That minister. So he want to retire from that place, that minister place. So all the ministers have retirement right after 5 years once. For example, now chief minister 5 years once is going to retire, but sometimes what will happen? Sometimes some opposition parties will also oppose that minister, and they started doing elections. All this also going now also. But one day the chief minister expressed his desire to the king. What happened one day? He came to the king and he said, King, I can't do any more this work because I am becoming an old man. So I can't survive in this place. Please get me a retire. I want a retirement, he asked. So what happened? The king became very sad. Why king became very sad? Because he started thinking that, oh my god, he is going to retire. If this person is going to retire from this place, next who will come to this place? Who will handle? How we, if it is, he is not a truthful person or a wise person, how the state will going on? In his hand, he started thinking that king. King means he have some something to think about people also. No, that is the main thing. He knew that it was very difficult to find a suitable man as wise as the chief minister. He is very truthful and wise person, the chief minister. So as well as this chief minister wise person, how could we search of same person as chief minister? It's difficult to look after the state affairs. However, he did not want to stop him from following his wise. So what he did, king did not stop him to do his work. So he politely asked the minister to search out a suitable person who could take the responsibilities of the state affairs after him. The chief minister agreed. So king said that, so okay fine, I'll tell you politely, I'll tell you directly that I need a person as polite as you are in this seat. So the person should be same like you means not like in face, in the good manner. In the state affairs, you have to look after the state affairs, everything. Okay, I want that type of person for this minister place. So you have, I'll give you the time. I'll give you time. You have to search a person who is suitable for this place and bring it to me. So what minister said? Okay, sir, I agreed. So the minister agreed for this. The king gave him an option. Okay. Okay, children. I'll do the next page in the next class. Okay. Thank you.